I've not tried this steering yoke yet. First session of the year. Still wearing steel toe boots. Car is stone cold still. Apexes, dirt on the apexes. There's a little bit more negative timing, off boost, so there's a little bit more crackling, pops and bangs. This is the first time this engine has seen some RPM since I put it back together in September after the broken piston. So that's why I'm being a little bit nice to it. But yeah, I kind of like how this wheel feels. It's very hard to talk and drive. So far, the first thing I notice is how light the steering wheel is. Like sharp inputs like this, you can do a lot easier because there's a lot less inertia. A round wheel's a bit like a flywheel because all the mass all around the outside, on the perimeter. And the inertia matters because it feels like you can engage the power steering a bit quicker. It takes less effort instantaneously to get the wheel moving. So again, transitions like this are a lot nicer to make. But again, this is just something I threw together, so it doesn't really fit my hands too well. So what I'm going to do is switch back to the Momo, see what we can gather, because I really love that steering wheel. See if we can come up with some kind of interpolation of these two steering wheels. But what I'm going to do is put a dash cam, or a rear view cam. It's really hard to talk and drive, by the way. I'm going to put backup cameras in place of the side view mirrors right there, so the visibility this wheel gets me is really important, because with the round wheel I can't really place the lap timer where it is. I can't set up the interior the way I want to, or the dash, right? And then the car is a lot easier to get in and out with this type of wheel. So this wheel as it is kind of crap. But if I make it fit in my hands properly, it'll be better than the Momo. It's basically my instantaneous conclusion. So I'm going to switch back to the Momo and then try that. I actually have a better design for the grips for this. I'm supposed to have them 3D printed and then test them, but the prints weren't done in time. So now I'm testing this. Again, I don't like how this feels, but I like that it's a yoke. So the answer is just a better yoke, but again, we'll see what we see with the round wheel again. Thank you. Sweet. This is like a cooking show where you have an assistant just handing you stuff. So good. Alright, so round wheel. feel those curves the same way. But the grips are just so good on this wheel that you can really hold on to it, and that makes all the difference. Crack high boost open for a second here. Holy shit! So that's high boost on pump gas with 3 degrees of timing pulled out.